Insight Health Systems is working to stabilize and expand services at Trumbull County's newly acquired hospitals, while Mercer County leaders are rallying to keep Penn State Shenango open amid statewide campus closures. Those stories and more on today's Daily Buzz. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Moliterno. Insight Health Systems took over Trumbull Regional Medical Center and Hillside Rehabilitation Hospital in September, stepping in after Steward Healthcare's bankruptcy left both hospitals on the verge of closure. The sudden transition, which happened in a matter of days rather than the preferred timeline of a year, has presented significant challenges. Before Insight's involvement, Trumbull County faced the prospect of losing essential healthcare services. Now Insight is working to stabilize operations and expand services at both hospitals. Cindy Russo, President and CEO of Insight Hospital and Medical Center Trumbull.
When I think back of where we could have been several months ago, this is certainly 100% better. And I think, what's been marvelous is that Insight has brought forward some new services for us that we haven't had here before. We continue to operate the services that we had previously, and so I think we are really here for the community as we said we would be.
One of the immediate improvements under Insight's ownership is the development of a neuroscience center with telestroke capabilities, enabling the hospital to treat more neurological patients on site. At Hillside, new technology and therapy equipment are being installed. Jamie Gunia is Chief Administrative Officer at Insight Rehabilitation Hospital Hillside.
The first growth was in our outpatient rehab setting for Austintown. We did change locations, and with that came a renovation, and it's in a building where we have Insight providers in the urgent care center. So it's building collaborations and strengthening our organization together and supporting the whole community from, at that site, urgent care needs, work med needs, rehab needs, and any other independent physicians that are in that building as well.
Staffing remains one of the biggest challenges at both Trumbull and Hillside. Many nurses and hospital staff stayed on despite notices of layoffs and potential closures, but more personnel are needed to bring the hospitals back to full capacity. You can read more in the story at businessjournaldaily.com. The future of Penn State Shenango is uncertain as Penn State University considers closing some of its campuses due to declining enrollment. A final decision is expected before spring commencement, but no campuses will close before the end of the 2026-2027 academic year. Rod Wilt, Executive Director of Penn Northwest Development Corporation, said Penn State Shenango is a vital part of Mercer County's education system. Wilt said Mercer County will push back against any efforts to close the Shenango campus. He compared the situation to other community efforts to preserve local institutions, including Sharon Regional Medical Center and Butler County Community College. And the Youngstown Warren Regional Chamber will introduce the CEO Forum at this year's Family-Owned Business Recognition Dinner. The program, set to expand into the Mahoning Valley in 2025, aims to connect Ohio business leaders with peers focused on scaling their companies while supporting other executives. Robert Shenton, Executive Director of CEO Forum, said middle market companies often face similar challenges, including growth, strategic planning, succession planning, leadership changes, and access to capital.
What we're able to bring together is those pods of middle market companies, executive education with our partner from the Fisher School of Business at The Ohio State University. We have access to data and research through the National Center for the Middle Market. And then we bring the power of the chamber, which is advocacy in the areas of workforce, training, taxes, and any of the other, we'll say, advocacies that are important to a strong business economy here in Ohio.
You can hear more in the 3 Minutes with video at businessjournaldaily.com. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of these stories, links are available in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno.
717 Credit Union. Savings power to give your business an extra boost. Business savings, certificates, and business money market. 717 Credit Union. Make your money work as hard as you do. Check out our business money market and CD rates at 717cu.com/rates.